In this video, I want to discuss and go over an exercise working the arch of our foot and the intrinsic musculature on the bottom of our foot as we bring our foot into dorsiflexion. So as we rock through stance phase, coming heel down, so as we come through stance phase, leading into toe off. And with this exercise, we're really looking to engage and maintain engagement with the arch of the foot. In the past, we've gone over, or we potentially have gone over, the short foot exercise, working to bring that arch into engagement. This is going to be the next step from that particular exercise. So what I want to do from this is I want to start by really engaging the arch of the foot. So from here, we're going to start by heel down, splaying the toes as far as we can, outside of the foot down, dropping into the big toe. So I want you to feel engagement, heel, outside of the toe, base of big toe. From this point, I want you to contract, essentially do a short foot contraction, bringing some engagement into that arch. Now from there, we're going to drive that knee over in dorsiflexion and drive back, but do not lose the engagement in the arch. Drive forward again. The entire time we're doing this, we should feel that engagement in the arch going. What I don't want is, as we drive forward, to collapse the foot inward. That is what we're trying to avoid doing. So once again, heel into the ground, splay toes out as much as we can, outside down to base of big toe. Engage arch and drive forward. Now, there's one little compensation that is often created in this position. I actually do it myself, so it's something that I work on myself, so I'm going to kind of point out here in this video. When we drive into dorsiflexion, we really want to make sure that our plantar flexors are working, those muscles that keep our toes flat into the ground. When we come through toe off, we do not curl our toes. That's a very common issue that we have when our feet are not really exposed to natural walking, in a sense, being barefoot, always being in rigid structured shoes. So one thing we really want to focus on is, as we do that, is making sure that the toes are not curling as we engage that. Do the best we can to keep them flat. If you do have a problem with them curling, there's another exercise we can touch base on of how to do that. But I just want to touch base on one common compensation that we will see with that is those toes curling. So once again, this video is discussing arch control through dorsiflexions leading into toe off.